Hello guys, welcome back to Piano with Nick. I'm here with another video. Okay, so we are looking at a song by Mettle. This song is a new release. Okay, it's called Grateful. Okay, so we'll be looking at this particular song. We are looking at the intro they did, we are looking at the verse, we are looking at the chorus. Okay, basically everything about this song I'm gonna break it down to the simplest form. Okay, whichever level you are, either a beginner, intermediate, advanced, you'll be able to take something home. Okay, so if today is your first time coming across my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be one of the first to get it. Okay, so with that being said, the song was done in the key of C sharp, but I will be playing in the key of F. Actually, the progression started off on the 1. Okay, then we have the second chord to be this chord. So we are doing the C chord. Okay, then this particular chord, the third chord, we have the J, D, B flat, D and J. Then basically the 1 chord. Okay, so those of you who are looking for the number system, it's basically the 1. Okay, then the second chord I did was the 5. Then the third chord was the 2. Then basically I did a 1. So if you are mentioning it is the do, the so, the re, then the do. Alright, so the intro started off like this. Okay, so I'll be slowing down the video so that you can get everything that I'm teaching. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. So like this. One more time. This is the second time I'm doing this. Okay, then here you change. Okay, so slowly for the last time. Okay, so something like mi re mi re do re mi re ti so re ti do re do la fa so do re mi fa so fi mi re do so. Okay, so like this. Then you play the first sequence again, because we already know this, except the part that it will change, that I will speak on it. Okay, then here is the part it changes. Okay, so like this. So do, then you play do, then so and do together. Okay, one more time. Alright, so let's play in context so that we get it. Because this is a new song, I haven't quite soaked the lyrics in my head, but I know how it goes. Okay, so I'll try to sing as much as I can, but I'll be using melodies. Okay, so goes like this. Daily I Sally, Lord, I want to stay on my life. If baby is for the mercies of me. Oh, Lord, I'm grateful for your grace. Subscribe for more videos like this. Okay, I'll see you in another video. Bye.